Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we're going to take a look at Antik browser, an anti-detect browser created by an experienced team in the field of traffic arbitrage. It's perfect for farming, launching advertising campaigns, managing accounts, analyzing ads, and scaling your business. Antik browser offers a range of convenient and unique features, such as it provides a high level of profile customization, significantly enhancing account security across various fields. Browser profiles are based on Chromium, ensuring stability and compatibility with modern platforms. For your convenience, two spaces are available for solo use and for team use. Antik browser allows you to work with any type of proxy servers, both static, ISP and data centers, and dynamic, mobile and residential. In the case of using dynamic proxies, it is possible to specify a link for IP address rotation. Moving on to the Antik browser tariff plans. There are 7 of them. Let's briefly look at them. Trial, an introductory plan on a free basis. Users get access to full customization of the digital fingerprint for each of the 10 available profiles. The subscription is active for 7 days from the date of registration. The Lite tariff plan for $20 per month includes all the features of the trial and additionally allows creating and operating 30 profiles. The next tariff, Solo, for $40 per month, offers the possibility to create up to 150 profiles, allowing you to manage small projects that do not require a team. The Pro tariff for $80 per month, designed for solo use, allows you to create up to 300 unique profiles and manage them in one space. Starting from the Team 500 tariff for $149 per month, you can create workspaces for the team. An unlimited number of employees can be added, as well as creating 500 browser profiles. Like the previous tariff, Team 1000 for $299 per month allows creating workspaces and adding an unlimited number of employees. Additionally, it allows for the ability to operate 1,000 profiles and distribute them among team members. The custom plan at an individual price allows you to work with an individual number of profiles and provides the ability to flexibly configure functionality according to unique needs. To discuss details, you need to contact the Antik Browser Manager. Now let's take a look at the Antik Browser interface. The Profiles tab for creating and managing profiles. Available options: set tags, add notes, distribute profiles between folders, and manage cookie files. Folders tab is responsible for creating folders, which can later be used to distribute profiles between certain tasks or employees. You can create an unlimited number of folders, regardless of the chosen tariff plan. The next tab, Proxy, allows you to upload proxies, assign them to profiles, check their performance, and add a link for IP change when using mobile proxies. Bookmarks offers ready-made bookmarks for quick access to resources in various fields. They can be used with your browser profiles or create your own through the plus button. The Extensions tab, similar to the previous point, works with extensions. They can be integrated from the Chrome Web Store or manually by downloading a zip file. Added extensions will be automatically installed on selected profiles. Trash Bin allows you to track previously deleted profiles and, if necessary, restore them. Instructions for creating a profile and setting up proxies can be found by the annotation on the screen. You also have the option of mass creating profiles. To use this feature, press Create Plus and proceed to mass creation. Profiles can be imported from a file, or you can manually set the number and parameters by pressing Configure Parameters. Set the profile name, and if necessary, place it in the desired folder. Configure user agent, operating system, and other necessary parameters. Set up proxies. You can add a list of custom proxy servers for rotation, adding each new proxy server in a new line. You also have the option to import them or apply saved proxies in the browser. Once all settings are specified, press Create. Antik Browser offers a unique feature of working with Canvas Fingerprint. Instead of simply adding noise to limit tracking, the browser allows you to adjust the parameter so that it corresponds to a specific video card. Such variability in settings ensures a high uniqueness of each profile, helping to avoid linking accounts. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.